how to fix upload problem on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the uploading problem. First thing, open the settings and go to the apps. Open the apps and then go to the TikTok app right here when you find it. Click on the storage and then click on clear cache, clear data. Go back, click on the data usage, and then here you have to disable all those options and enable them back again. Go back and click on this force stop here in the top, as you can see, and now you have just to restart your phone and reopen TikTok. And if the problem is not solved yet, then you may have a problem in your network or your Wi-Fi, so make sure to disable it and enable it again, or just change the network. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.